Hey guys, welcome back to Living with the Lindsays. Our daughter Amelia loves going to the beach, and so today we will just share with you some clips from a recent beach trip. So what you doing, Alexia?
I'm putting on sunscreen on Amelia because we're going to the beach.
Yes, we just watched.
I had a regular sunscreen, but I'm using this one because it's sports and it's water resistant. So
yes.
It's good for the beach.
Yeah, so we can take our snacks today, and we have three different toys: the bucket, the roller, and the fork.
Okay, so that's what you have in your bucket for the beach, Neely?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Because we don't have the space, so
Alright.
we need it.
So Junior's getting the sunscreen on now. Hey Ju, your mommy putting on sunscreen? Alright guys, so they're in the water. Junior's a little bit afraid. Amelia, what are you doing?
I am playing.
You're playing? Say hi to the fans.
I can't. We are in the beach playing.
Alright. Alright, lift it up. Yay!
I did it!
You did it? What did you do?
I make a circle!
Alright, good job.
I want to make some more.
You want to make some more? Alright, pull it up again. Doing buggy. Doing bug? He's not paying me any attention this morning.